How to do TRX Single Leg Squat. 1. Setup. Adjust the TRX strap so the handles hang about waist height. Stand facing the anchor point, feet about hip width apart. Hold the handles lightly with both hands, elbows bent close to your sides. 2. Starting position. Shift your weight onto your working leg, say right leg. Extend the non-working leg straight in front of you, just off the ground. Keep your chest lifted and core braced. 3. Lowering phase. Slowly bend the standing leg, sending your hips back and down. Keep your extended leg straight and elevated. Use the TRX straps for balance and light support, not to pull yourself up. Lower until your hip is just below the knee line, or as far as your mobility allows. 4. Lifting phase. Press through the heel of your standing foot. Drive your hips forward and return to standing tall. Keep the opposite leg extended forward the entire time. 5. Repeat. Perform 8 to 12 reps per side, 2 to 4 sets depending on your level. Muscles worked in TRX Single Leg Squat. This exercise is a unilateral strength and balance movement that challenges multiple muscle groups. Primary muscles, quadriceps, main driver in straightening the knee, gluteus maximus, hip extension as you stand up, hamstrings, assist in hip extension and stability, secondary muscles, calves, gastrocnemius and soleus, stabilize the ankle, hip flexors, on extended leg, hold the non-working leg out, core muscles. Thanks for watching. Please check my next video.